know that mispronouncing the glottal sound could make words like house sound house, happy sound happy? Come to think of it, the glottal sound is a subtle yet powerful sound in English, often overlooked but essential for correct pronunciation. In this class, you'll master how to pronounce the glottal sound correctly, identify common mistakes, and also learn why H words like our and honest remain silent. Ready to fix that H factor problem now? Let's dive in. Welcome to class. This is Verbal Vantage with Posh MK. This sound in English is described as the voiceless glottal fricative. Voiceless in the sense that there's no vibration from the vocal cord when you're producing the sound, so it is voiceless. All you need to do is to open up your mouth and release a breath of air, just like this. Great job. While taking that exercise, try articulating these words. House, happy, hello. House, happy, hello. House, happy, hello. Do not say ants, ants. Rather say hands, hands. Do not say hospital, hospital. Say hospital, hospital. Do not say air, my air. Say hair, hair. Do not say hammer, hammer. Say hammer, hammer. Do not say honey, honey. Say honey, honey. Do not say I ate heat rash. Rather say I hate heat rash. Hate heat rash. Hate heat rash. Never say hold my hands. Hold my hands. Rather, you should say hold my hands. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Great job. Never say ill. He climbed a hill. Say hill. Hill. He climbed a hill. Do not say hope. Say hope. Hope. Take note of these 4 English language H-letter words with silent glottal sound. Our, honest, honor, and air. So you can say, it's already an hour gone. An hour. An hour. Peter is the next heir to the throne. An heir to the throne. It's an honor to grace this occasion. An honor. Honor. John is an honest man. An honest man. Never say an hospital. Say a hospital. A hospital. Now, correct the error in this sentence. I left my hat at home. I left my hat at home. Never use the article a with any of these English words with silent glottal sounds. Our, honor, air, and honest. Take this drill as many times as you can. The honest heir left his hat at the hotel for an hour. The honest heir left his hat at the hotel for an hour. It's more appropriate to use the indefinite article an. So you say an honor, an hour, an heir, and honest. Finally, always use a with the word hospital because the glottal sound is present. So you say a hospital, not an hospital. Never add the glottal sound to the word app. App. The word is app, not hap. So it is wrong to say, I downloaded the app from the Play Store. Fix that H factor right now and say this. I downloaded the app from the Play Store. I downloaded the app from the Play Store. Sounds more professional. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Until I see you again. Bye.